I tried this Seedance Pro AI video generator, and the results completely surprised me. Imagine typing just a few words or uploading an image and instantly watching it transform into a cinematic video with smooth motion, rich detail, and storytelling that feels professional. That is exactly what Seedance Pro delivers. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Seedance step by step. You will see how easy it is to choose between text to video or image to video, input your prompt, and let the AI create something that looks like it came straight from a film studio. Whether you are a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone curious about the future of AI video, this tool will open up a whole new world of creativity. I have left a link to this tool in the description and pinned comments, so you can try Seedance Pro for free and instantly claim your credits. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let us dive straight into Seedance Pro. First, I will be starting with the text-to-video feature. I already have a couple of prompts prepared ahead of time, and now I'm going to copy and paste one of them directly into the prompt field. Let me take a moment to read the prompt to you so you can follow along and see exactly what I am asking the AI to create. In an ancient autumn forest where golden leaves are falling, a graceful young Asian woman in a medium shot stands under a tall maple tree. She has long, silky brown hair flowing in the wind, a soft, oval face, almond-shaped green eyes, delicately arched eyebrows, and smooth porcelain skin. She wears subtle bronze eyeshadow with glossy nude lips and a faint blush on her cheeks. She is dressed in a flowing, deep red velvet cloak, the hood draped elegantly over her head. Around her neck is a silver pendant glowing faintly. The background is filled with golden trees fading into mist, and leaves swirl gently in the breeze.
The camera pulls in slowly as she raises her left hand toward the pendant, her expression calm yet mysterious, as if guarding a secret. You can see just how descriptive and detailed my prompt is, and this is exactly the way you should structure your own prompts if you want the best possible quality from AI video generation. The clearer and richer your descriptions are, the more cinematic and accurate your final results will look. Now, if you ever find yourself stuck or out of ideas, you can also get inspiration directly from the options available here. With just one click, you can explore ready-made ideas, but for this walkthrough, I will skip that step and continue with my own prompt. Next, it is time to set the aspect ratio. There are many screen sizes you can choose from depending on the kind of video you want to create. But for this tutorial, I'm going with the classic 16:9 ratio. After that, we move on to the resolution settings. You can select between 480p, 720p, or the full 1080p option. I personally prefer 1080p because it delivers higher quality, though keep in mind that higher resolutions will consume more credits. Finally, I will set the video duration. For this example, I will keep it at 5 seconds. Once all the settings are in place, simply click on Create Video, and within a few seconds, the tool will process the request and generate your video. Let's go ahead and preview this one together. Great! The video turned out looking very cinematic. What do you think? The motion is smooth, the details are sharp, and it really captures that professional film-like feeling. Now that we have seen what the text-to-video feature can do, let us move on and test the image-to-video feature of this tool. For this part, we will be making use of the built-in AI image generator, which runs on the Seedream 4.0 model. This model is considered one of the best when it comes to image generation and editing, delivering incredible quality and accuracy. I will start by pasting my prompt into the text-to-image prompt field. After that, I will select the resolution. And for this example, I am choosing 2K to really push the quality higher. I will leave the aspect ratio at 16:9, since it is ideal for most cinematic outputs. Next, I will set the number of outputs to 1 so that I can save my credits and keep the process efficient. Once everything is ready, I simply click on Generate Image. Within a few seconds, the result appears, and as you can see, the image came out very nice, sharp, and highly detailed. I am really impressed with how accurate it looks. I will go ahead and download it now so we can use it in the next step. As you can see here, the tool gives you the option to add 2 images. You can choose a first frame and an optional last frame. But for this demonstration, I will just keep it simple with a single image. So I will upload the image I just generated, and in the prompt field, I will paste the exact same prompt that I used earlier when generating the image. If you want to learn how to write effective prompts and get the best possible results, I recommend checking out the built-in prompt guide. It will show you how to structure your ideas in a way that the AI can fully understand and bring to life. Now I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9, adjust the duration to 5 seconds, and once everything is ready, I will click on the Create Video button. In just a few moments, our video is processed and ready to preview. Not bad at all. The quality is impressive, the motion feels natural, and it shows just how powerful this AI video model is. You should definitely give it a try for yourself and see what you can create. Click the download button to download it to your device. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will be happy to respond. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.